Simplifying division problems. Here is when you are doing divisions, instead of doing direct divisions from the given question, we can simplify and do. Some of the problems we can do in that way. Let us see few examples. Okay, for example, if you take one question, 580 or 58. Okay, 858 I am taking. I need to divide by 16. Instead of doing 858 directly divide by 16, these both are even numbers. So we can even divide by 2 also. Okay, if you do directly, what will get? 858 divided by 16. This way we should do, right? And 16, normal division, if you notice once, 16, 5, 80. Subtract 50 and 8. Next. Again, similarly, 16, I will get to 3, so 48. And this is 10. So this is 53, 10 by 16. Now we can simplify. For example, instead of this 858 divided by 16. Instead of this, both are even numbers. So we just to divide with 2. 858. Half of the 858, 4, 400 and next to 58 is half is 50 half is 20. 25 plus extra 4. So 29. 429. And divide by 16, half of the 16 is 8. So we can reduce the divisions in case the both are even numbers. This is one of the way technique easily we can do. Now we can try this. 429. So if we divide with 8, we'll get the same. 8 5s are 40, 2, 9. Again 8 3s are. So it's 24, but it's 5. So what you got here? Just 53, 8 by 5 in mixed fraction. Same, this is also same. 10 divided by 16. So 5 and 4. Same 53, 5 by 4. So both are same, but the thing is we need to reduce in case the both are even numbers. Both you can divide by 2 separately and do normal division. This is one of the way. And see one more method. In case there any problems with one zeros, means a multiple of tens. Yeah, multiple of tens we can take if it is a 580 divided by 70. So in these cases directly we can take out these ending zeros. Just take 58 divided by 7. Okay, same result we'll get for this also. Same 58 divided by 7. 7 8 is 56 and 2 is remainder. Just it is 8, 2 by 7 in mixed fraction. This is the one of the way. And the both are 10 multiples of 10, right? Or else both are multiples of 5 in case it is for example, you take one example, 475 divided by 35. 475 and 35 ending with numbers 5 should not cut 5 5. Okay, only when the multiple of 10 only we should cancel. Now in this case what we can do, just multiply with 2 both the sides. Multiplication with 2 is simple. We already perfect with single digit multiplications. 475 into 2 is 950 because 400 double is 800, 75 double is 150, 800 plus 150 is 950 and divide by 35 into 2 is 70. So what we can notice, just you can remove this 0, 95 divided by 7. Okay, directly we can do. In this also we will get 13 4 by 7. Okay, just reduced. Same whatever answer we get for this, same answer for 95 divided by 7 also. Okay, same concept we can apply. Even one is 0, one is a multiple of 5 also, same concept will apply. Let us see one more example. If it is 890 and you divide with 45. So one is multiple of 10, one is 5. Just you can keep into 2 and into 2 same, because 0 into 2 0 will get for this also. 890 into 2, only 89 into 2 is 178, 0, and divide by 45 into 2 is just 90. Now what you notice, just you can remove this, only 178 divided by 9 will do. Okay, normal division. Now 178 divided by 9. So it's in 9 table, just 9 and subtract this 88. Yeah, 9 nines are 81, then it is a 7. Same. So what will get 19, 7 over 9. Same, whatever the results you get for this, same answers you'll get. This is one of the technique you can apply if any divisions when you're doing the solving the problems. Either multiples of 2 we can do like this by simplification, a multiple of 10 or with 5 and 0. So there are the few techniques you can follow when you're doing simplification of division problems while doing sums. And let me explain even the testing for divisibility rules also. So divisibility rules and some decimalization concepts I'll explain now.